Good morning, it's Friday, we're at the Château and this is our final morning and we're just doing a quick chat with Ash about the project that we've completed this week at the Château, and we're going to ask Ash his opinion of the work that we've done and how they've found our process, because I think sometimes it's really good to hear back from our clients and how they found our working style and our process and how we restore the floors and bring them back to life and hopefully meet our clients' expectations and ensure a really good project. Yeah. So I just wanted to see how you felt about how we worked for you this week, what your thoughts were.
I think this week it's been wonderful. Obviously we've worked with you before, we know the work that you do, we know how good it is, and I think this was a lot more challenging in what was needed to be done. There was a lot more work beforehand, obviously you and Terry back and forward sorting everything out, making sure that the colours were right, doing sample boards and everything for us so that we knew when you came exactly what we were getting. There's been no surprises, and I think that's the pleasure of working with you. You come, you tell us what needs to be done and you do exactly that, and the way that these rooms transformed from something that was derelict and in awful, really, in an awful condition, to something that looks palatial. Out of this world, man.
Yeah. I'd agree, it's been a pleasure working for you again. And I think what I enjoy about working with you guys is that your understanding of what you're trying to achieve and the standard you're going for means that I'm always looking to increase my expectations in my work to make sure that I hit your expectations, which is, it makes my job more enjoyable.
Absolutely. I think every time you've been here, you've exceeded our expectations in 100-fold, because again, as much as we know how good it is, there's always that risk that the floors aren't going to be perfect and they're not going to come out how we want, and every time you've managed to make them, like I say, it really does look, it's magnificent, mate, it really is. And I think the one thing that we love working with Bradford with is there's no dust.
Yeah,
it's clean. This place is spotless, so if you look around right now, we don't have to wipe down any walls, we don't have to come out with a hoover. Everything's been left in a condition that if we want to move furniture into this room right now, we could. Yeah. And I think that's the great thing about working with you guys, is you're so tidy with it, and the system that you use, it's perfect.
Brilliant. Oh, that's good to hear. That's great.
So thank you very much, man.
Thank you. Well, enjoy the next stage of the Château restoration.
And I'm sure you'll be back anyway. We've got downstairs to do yet.